There's a particular kind of heaviness that comes from holding it all together, smiling through strain, keeping things moving while something inside quietly struggles. That effort can weigh more than the situation itself. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote speaks to a moment of honesty that often brings more relief than fixing ever could. The weight lifts when you stop pretending everything is fine. This quote reminds us that pretending is work, emotional work. It asks us to suppress what we feel, manage appearances, and carry tension without letting it show. Over time, that performance becomes exhausting, not because things are difficult, but because we're denying their difficulty. Honesty creates release. When you stop pretending, you stop holding two realities at once. The inner experience and the outer expression begin to align. That alignment doesn't solve everything, but it lightens the load. The body relaxes, the mind exhales. Energy returns simply because nothing is being hidden anymore. Admitting that something isn't fine isn't weakness, it's clarity. It's the point where real support, real understanding, and real movement become possible. You don't need to dramatize or explain. Sometimes just allowing yourself to acknowledge what's true is enough to change how heavy it feels. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. Notice one place where you've been telling yourself you should be fine. Instead of pushing past it, quietly acknowledge what's actually there. See what softens when honesty replaces effort. Carry that permission with you as the day unfolds. You don't need to perform wellness to deserve ease. Often, the weight lifts the moment pretending stops. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Honesty lightens the load, and relief begins with truth. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.